Greetings and thank you for joining me to this new video, and we will be talking about ImageJ. ImageJ is one of the little pieces of software that can be used for a variety of things. It can replace also many equipment that you are currently using, such as a chroma meter or a leaf meter. It can also count number of seeds, so it works as a seed counter. It has many uses. So I will always recommend this piece of software to my students who are working with me in the lab. And I'm going to tell you how to download it and where to find it. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm using Zoom to record this screen. That's why I have this virtual background, which is very interesting. And I have this in another video on how to use Zoom as a screen recorder. You can actually see it in the link above. For now, let's search for ImageJ. This is ImageJ. It's called ImageJ. And this is basically the application that I'm looking for. And so once you search on that, you'll find that it is available for download from a variety of sources. Basically, the most common or official site is the National Institute of Health. This is where it is, NIH. And so you can go here and read about the features of ImageJ. There are so many useful things on ImageJ. And you can see here, there's a variety of things it can do. It can run anywhere, just similar to portable labs, and also in any platform, Macintosh, Linux, or Windows. It's an open source. Always like open sources, not because they are free, but also they allow you to modify them and also to further develop them. It has many plugins, and you can download these plugins. It usually comes with a plugin as well. It has also a toolkit. You can modify a variety of things while working on it, including image editing and enhancement. And it can do all kinds of analysis. It allows you also to do some statistical analysis that can be downloaded on Excel, and in due time we'll get to that in details, because I'm going to prepare a short video for each of the uses that I'm interested in, and you might also be. And so that will be later. For today, we'll just go ahead and show you the video and just show you the software and show you where to download it depending on your system. Usually I have Windows, so I'm going to download it in Windows computer. And as you can see, it comes as a zip file. You can directly download it to anywhere you like. So it's not that big actually. It's not a huge file. It's about 74 megabytes, so it's not large. You can fit it anywhere. Okay, so now the file downloaded as zip file, I extracted it, and here it goes. This is the actual software that you can just have anywhere on your computer, on this computer or any computer that you like. So that's it. Now you can see it's running, and you can usually work on it right away, and then this is it. Here you can check out the menu. The interface of this of ImageJ is very simple, and as you can see, it has the file menu where you can save and open, and it also comes with samples. Actually, you could use a variety of samples that comes with it, as well as the edit menu. You can see the edit menu here, where you can edit all the images you upload. So there's a whole dedicated image tab where you can convert the image to a variety of formats from 8-bit to RGB. And so, and you probably will be able to use the Scilab stack and other RGB, HSP color stacks, where you can do some color analysis for your images that you are collecting, whether they are leaves or fruit or some other image. You can also adjust brightness, contrast. But what you need the most here is the threshold. This is what we'll be using the most. So you need once in a while to separate, the limits or what you're looking for, and we'll do that later on. And here we have a variety of colors, a variety of stacks, as well as you could do the usual things like duplicating the image, copying it, and renaming it, and scale it, and transform it, and so on. So you have a variety of options here. The process to deal with the images are all here in this menu, the smoothing of the image and sharpening of it, as well as enhance contrast, working with the noise, working with shadow, and so on. So all of this can be done. You can also here find the batch menu for batch measurement of batch conversion, as well as image calculator, something in the background as you know, to allow you to work on the images without a background distraction. In the analysis, it does all kinds of analysis. So in the analysis menu, you will find the measure, where you click after you set up the sample, you can go ahead and measure it. You can also analyze particles. This is what you use for counting. You have all kinds of options here, including set measurements, will give you a table where you can decide what kind of measurements will be taken here. So this is the analysis part. Okay. And so here there is a histogram. One of the most important things you'll also be doing is setting the scale. This is very critical because this is where you have an image and you decide on the length and the width. For example, how many centimeters are you taking it in feet or inches, and so on. So this is one of the first thing you do when you have an image loaded. Second thing you do is thresholding. So these two things would have to be there, it's always there. So threshold and the setting the scale are the critical ones that we need to know. So familiarize yourself with all these options. As I mentioned before at the beginning, there are so many plugins that are made for ImageJ, and actually ImageJ can be integrated in R and other software as well. So here you have a variety of imaging and graphing, analyzing, so a whole bunch of tools or plugins that you can use to measure your samples or collect data from your leaf sample. It is very versatile, highly usable, very important piece of software that I highly recommend for all of you. So as you can see, the installation process is not difficult. Just download it as a zip file, carry it with you or your even flash drive, and take it with you wherever you go. So that's for this video, because we'll get to the details in a shorter video. I just decided instead of making one long video, we'll just make shorter and shorter videos. That will be much easier for everyone. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and then thank you for joining me, and